Let it all hang out. Understanding this unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase. Let it all hang out. This idiom might sound a bit odd at first, but it's widely used in English-speaking cultures to express a very specific attitude or action. So, if you're ready to expand your English idiomatic knowledge, you're in the right place. The phrase, "let it all hang out," is an idiom that essentially means to relax completely and be oneself without worrying about what others think. It's about expressing your feelings, thoughts, or behaviors openly and without restraint, often in a way that is very free and uninhibited. While the exact origins of "let it all hang out" are a bit murky, it's believed to have gained popularity in the 1960s, particularly within the counterculture movement. This era valued freedom, authenticity, and breaking free from societal norms, which is perfectly encapsulated in this phrase. Using "let it all hang out" correctly can add a lively and informal tone to your conversation. Here are a few examples. After a long week of work, I just want to go to the beach and let it all hang out. You're among friends here. Feel free to let it all hang out and be yourself. The party was great. Everyone was dancing and letting it all hang out. Notice that it's often used in contexts that involve social relaxation, personal expression, or leisure activities. It's important to understand the cultural context when using idioms like "let it all hang out." While it's a phrase that promotes authenticity and freedom, it's best used in informal situations among friends or in casual conversations. It might not be appropriate in formal settings or with people you're not close with, as it implies a level of candidness and informality. Let it all hang out is more than just an idiom. It's a call to be your most authentic self, comfortably and openly. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression and perhaps encouraged you to let it all hang out a little more in your own life. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep exploring the beauty and depth of the English language with us. See you in the next video.